truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track, I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
Hey loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to yet another video. So in case you're new here, this is Muhiri and please feel most welcomed and do subscribe to this channel, leave a comment at the end and also give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, so guys, in today's vlog we're just going to be doing a cleaning. We're just doing a refresh to our living room and as well as the kitchen. Yeah, so stay tuned until the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe in case you haven't, put the notification bell in case of any video, you'll be among those people who get the notification, and also like this video and leave a comment for me at the end because it helps the channel to grow really fast. And you guys, thank you so much for 600 subscribers. I'm grateful for that and I can't take it for granted. So let's do this, guys.
All I ever dreamed of, it's lost in something deceitful. I've been left astray by the moonlight sweeping.
So guys, for the refresh, I'm not using anything special. It's just this all-purpose Presto cleaner, and you can remember I bought it around last year, around November. Yeah, I put it together with the Astonish cleaning products. Yeah, and it has served me well, guys. You can see it's still enough, but I'm already bored with it, so I think I'll the supermarket. I'll just be looking for something different. I'm already bored with this, and I don't like staying with something for too long. Yeah, so
Anonymous from within your home. You better hold me down. You better hold me down. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
so guys, you can see my dispenser haiko vizuri, like imetaniwa to the opposite side. Nili have ku change the maji, the other side hiyo yenye tunachotea maji iende to the wall, and then the other side ikuje this side, because my son has been so stubborn, anaweza fungulia hiyo maji yote na hakuna kitu utafanya. So I had to put it this way ndio afikirie hiyo dispenser haifanyi tena. Yeah, so that is it. So if that trick can apply to your house, because yours maybe for those who have uh aged kids, maybe 3 to 4 years, it can't happen because they already know what is happening. But for my son, he is still small. That is why I applied that trick. So guys, from your point of view, just let me know in the comment section, and you should be honest for real. Like, just let me know in the comment section what you think about this mat. If it's kind of ugly, because when I bought it last week, I just realized most of you didn't like it, and you guys have been telling you this house is like I'm starting new. I'm doing a makeover. Like I'm trying to get rid of the things I had before and try to put this house in the to the theme of my choice. Yeah. So if you see me buying something that you don't like, just leave it that way because I know what I'm doing, and I'm sure by the end of this year, maybe you are going to get a clear picture of the theme of my theme. Yeah, that is it. So I just wanted to make clear on that. So don't just think that I don't know what I'm buying, like I'm mixing colors. I'm not mixing colors, I just know what I'm doing. It's only that it's taking time. If only I had money, I could do a complete makeover, and that way maybe you could have had a full picture of the kind of a theme I want. Yeah, so for now, you just be patient. Stop online critique. Like you you guys, you criticize a lot. Like this thing has been stressing me a lot of late. Like I just bought something and you are so mad about it. I don't know why. You're just so mad about my math. If you don't like it, just that's okay. That is you who don't like it. But for me, I personally love it. So just be patient and wait and see the kind of theme I'll be putting to this house.
I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you. I know you've been left out, but I still need you.
This sink, when I moved in here, it was so stubborn, guys. I couldn't even imagine if it would one day get to be this white. But after I had used Astonish, I'm not even advertising them, guys. I'm just as trying to assist someone who is struggling with the stains. Yeah, so after I used Astonish, it has been so easy for me to clean it. Nowadays, I don't even struggle to use anything special to clean it, just to scrub, and that is it.
I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight. We have the world in our sight, and I know together we'll be alright. Can you see forever we will go?
I'm done with the living room, guys. I know it's not giving at the moment, but I'm sure it will. I'm sure it will. Just be patient. And I know right now, one thing that I have to get rid of is that table. It's so shouty in here, like the mat itself. But I'll just remove it. Yeah. So just to confirm, I just removed the calendar from up there, and now my house is a little bit less on the floor, on the walls. Yeah, it doesn't have much on the walls, but I'm thinking of working on that as well. So let's just put some little music for our next cleaning, yeah, which is the kitchen. I just want to go and clean the kitchen as well. Yeah. So to the kitchen, guys, it needs more than a deep clean, but for today I won't be doing that. I just want to clean the place I can step and also cook. Fundi has been here. He has been trying to fix the tiles, but they didn't have the plain white one, guys. but they had to replace this one. I think this looks better than the other one. Yeah, this looks better than the other one because the other one was even ugly. It was not even giving anything. So the fundi had to replace that with those white one. I think they just look okay because at least they have some white in it. So let me just clear the utensils. Make sure the place is a little bit less of dusty because fundi has said he will still come back tomorrow to clean the place, like to use the acid and stuff to make sure those tiles are super white. Yeah guys, so let me just clear the place, and it's already late. Even if I wanted to do a deep clean, I couldn't. Right now it's around 6 p.m. Yeah, that is too late for someone to do a deep clean. So let me just clear where I can so that we can get a space to cook our meals, our dinner. Yeah.
We are
So another thing guys, after the cabinets were done, they were placed a bit lower. So this dish rack is no longer in use because it doesn't even fit that place. I'm trying of getting a new one, and I was thinking to buy the over the sink dish rack. I'm not sure if it's going to fit there. If you've seen my sink before and you know this space, kindly advise me accordingly in the comment section. Because I think if I still get a different one, it's not going to fit that place because the cabinets are a bit lower. So the only option I have here is to go with the over the sink one. Yeah. And as well, if I think I buy the over the sink one, I'll be moving out, and maybe I get a bigger house, a bigger kitchen, yeah, and the one that has enough space in the kitchen, and that one will be an added advantage for me because I'll be already have bought the over the sink stand. I really love that dish rack. Advise me accordingly in the comment section, and I would really appreciate your advices, guys.
We are forever learning, one step at a time. As long as the world is turning, I'll be by your side. We'll keep the fire burning. I'll never see you hurt. You know I can't explain it in a way of words. We both know that you'll understand, and you'll see if you take my hand, and I'll go out of my own way for you. I'll go out of my own way.
So guys, to my new subscribers, welcome guys to this family. I love visitors. Please don't forget to put the notification bell. I normally post on Tuesdays, Fridays, and also on Sundays at 3, and I'm sure you won't wish to miss any of my videos. Kindly put the notification bell. Make sure you like this video, and also do leave a comment for me because it really helps the channel to grow, and also it helps the video to be recommended by YouTube. Yeah guys, and to my premier gang, thank you so much guys for always being here for me. I'm so much excited because in for the next 2 or 3 videos we are going to get to 4,000 watch hours, guys. I'm super excited for that, and I'm also thankful for you guys because I couldn't do this without you. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys. You have an impact to this channel. I really appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for watching up to this point, and please let's watch until the end of this video. So guys, when I did action makeover last video, in case you haven't checked that video, kindly go and do it. Most of you were suggesting that I remove this bed from the kitchen and put it in the sitting room. We discussed it with hubby, and he actually thought it was not a good idea, guys, and I also think it's not a good one because our sitting room, it's small, it's not that big that I can put a bed there. And as well, I don't think it's a good idea to put a bed in the sitting room unless you are a rich aunt, that person who can actually have some fancy beddings, like, and the bed shouldn't even look like this one. Yeah, so that's just my honest opinion on that. So I'm just clarifying that I'm not going to remove this bed from this kitchen until we move out of this house. Yeah, until we moved out of this house, so that we can have an extra bedroom. Yeah, so for now it's just going to be staying in this kitchen, so you'll be seeing most of it here. And yeah, so
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track. I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
so guys, if you've watched this video up to this end, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your presence, and I might be forced to end this video here, and I think I might be seeing you in my next video, that is on Sunday. Please keep subscribing, liking, sharing, and also the notification bell should be on, guys. So thank you so much for watching, and let me see you in my next video. Bye.